I got for like and subscribe to my channel and be sure to click the bell button.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sweet Me and this is Losing the Fluff, where we use walking workouts and low impact workouts to lose weight, and we just work to get into overall better health over here on this channel. So before we get started, make sure you got your cup, bottle, glass of water, so that at any time during this video you feel like you need to stop, pause, take a break, hydrate yourself, and jump back into it. Staying hydrated is a must. And also, I just want to take a moment to thank you for deciding to choose me as your partner in crime on this journey to better health. I hate to say partner in crime, but my partner in betterment of health. Because I'm here for better health. I feel like if you're joining me, then you're also here working on your health. And so I really thank you and appreciate you for that. Now, before we do any type of working out, we have to stretch, family. So let's do some twists. Let's start off with some twists. Let's get our body to loosen up a bit for what's to come. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do some heel stretches. Your left leg like this. Turn your right leg like so. Move your legs up a little bit. So you can have this type of triangle and this. Lean back on your heel. My hip hurts this. My hip hurts today. Lean into the stretch. You should feel it all back here. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straighten up, reverse your feet, and let's stretch the other side. Bring that foot back while you rest on your heel. Lean into it, and hold for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back up to the top. Let's bring our legs together and let's reach for our goals, our dreams, our aspirations, our desires, and literally see them, visualize them right here in the air, right in front of us. So we're going to just reach up and grab them and rub it into our heart. We're setting our intentions for this workout. We're setting our intentions for today, for this week. Seal it in. Now let's take it back up and bring it back down. Let's take it back up and bring it back down. One more time. Let's take it up and bring it back down. And let's walk. Let's walk it off. Let's go. Let's walk. Yeah. As I already stated, I am having a bit of heel pain today. But I usually do not let that stop me from doing what I desire. So, let's go, shall we? In 5 seconds, let's go ahead and start off with 10 knee-ups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's walk. Let's walk it out. Let's go. Let's walk. Let's do it. Let's get that job done. All right. In 5 seconds, I'm turning to the side. We're going to do 10 pullbacks, followed by 10 heel touches. All right? So 5, 4, and we like this for both of them. 3, 2, 1. Pull it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your tummy pulled in. 8, 9, 10. Heel back. 1. Let me heel touches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8, 9, 10. Let's walk. I got distracted just now. I just broke one of my nails off doing that heel tap. Let's walk it off. Let's go. Let's walk. Nails can grow back. So I'm not worried one bit. In 5 seconds, let's just go ahead and 2-step it out, family. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side steps. I don't know if y'all noticed, but we got Pinky in the house, counting our steps as we go along the day. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. I'm just doing something. Because I always tell you, keeping your arms engaged is important. Helps raise your heart rate, which is always a must when you're doing the workout. You want to get your heart levels up there. And your arms, because look where they are, they definitely help with that. So let's speed it up. Almost like we're doing some double dutch, except I would be double-handed. 5, 4, 3, not even side step anymore. 2, 1. Let's walk. Walk back into a side step, because that turns to a double dutch shuffle. Let's walk. Let's open up the side step. Yeah. Put a bounce to it. And let's speed it up. Yeah, let's pick it up, family. Let's take it forward. Hey, let's take it back. Let's keep it right here. Let's take it up. There you go. Let's take it back. Let's keep it right here. One more time. Let's take it up. Now let's take it back. Let's keep it right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's walk. Let's walk it off. Yeah, let's go. What are we walking off today, family? Always the fluff. Always the fluff. And sometimes anxiety, anxiousness, a little bit of fear sometimes, depending on what you may be thinking about that you have anticipated is going to be a part of your day. Sometimes it can be scary. Sometimes it can make you a bit anxious. But you gotta let that stuff go. Let that stuff go. Because you are more confident than you know. And you are more than capable of pursuing your dreams. When you just know. It's not always about believing. It's about knowing you have what it takes. It's like knowing that although you may have found yourself in a situation and on the other side of having better health, now it's time to dial the clock back, family. And know that you have what it takes to get your health back on track. See, it's not about thinking. It's not about believing. It's about knowing. There's a certain you're solidifying these things when you absolutely know you can do this. So think I can do it. I think I can. Know that you can, because you can, okay? Now in 5 seconds, we're gonna do 20 side checks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Side checks. 1, 2. If you wanna do jumping jacks, feel free. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's walk. Yeah. Let's get right back into it. Let's walk. Okay? So in 5 seconds, we're going to go into those side steps. I do like this on the side. We do 2 sets on this side, and we do 2 sets on this side. Yeah, that's what we're doing. 5, 4, 3, and always 2 sets of 10 on each. 2, 1. Side step. 1, 2, 3. Bring that tummy in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm trying to speed it up a little bit. 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Last one for this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, last side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's walk. Whew. Let's walk, walk it off. Let's go. Let's walk. Yeah, let's go. You see that look in my eye? Let's speed it up. Speed it up. This is almost time for cool down. So let's speed it up. Step it up faster. Come on. You got it. Come on. Hold on. Couple more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's walk. It's time for cool down. All right. Let's open it up. And let's roll our hips. 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's take it up. Oh, and hold it. Bring it down. Make sure you breathe it in through your nose. Let's touch our toes. And hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly bring it back up to the top. And give yourselves a round of applause if you're still listening to the sound of my voice. You've made it to the end of today's video. So thank you. Thank you for joining me for another great workout. We got 1,083 steps in. It's a great start to your day. Go out there and conquer today. Anything that's yours, you can have it. As long as you know that you have what it takes to achieve your dreams. I love y'all, family. Take care of yourselves, and until next time.